The lengths of pregnancies are normally distributed. That tells me right away to start drawing a picture. The only way you will be able to work these problems is by drawing a picture. The mean is 270 days, right there, and the standard deviation is 15. Find the probability of a pregnancy lasting 309 days or longer. So that means I'm over here 309 days or longer. So I need to find this probability. I know how to do that. That's my z-table. So basically what I'm doing is I'm standardizing my mean to 0, and I'm trying to figure out this z-value. Well, I have my formula, z equals my x value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Plug that in your calculator and I get 2.6. So from here I go to my table and I look up 2.6, and in this case 0.00 because I want exactly 2.6, and I get 0.9953. However, this is why you want to draw a picture. The 0.9953, so again that's my 2.6, is this area, 0.9953, or if I'm looking at the non-standardized, that area. But you can see I want the area shaded to the right. Remember, this entire curve adds to 1, so I could find that by subtracting 1 minus 0.9953, and I get my probability of 0.0047. Okay, now it says find the length of the pregnancy in the lowest 4%. So from here, I'm looking at this area because that would be the lowest 4%, or in decimal 0.04. So what I need is I need to figure out what this value is. Once again, on this other table, I'm doing the same thing, standardizing. So now I need this z value, and I know it's going to be a negative. How do you know it's negative? Because it's below the mean. So I'm looking for the area in the table, in the negative table, that is closest to this 0.04. And so if I look around a little bit here, I can see 0.0401. That's pretty darn close, right? And so that gives me a z of a negative 1.75. So going back here, negative 1.75. Well, I want this x value. Well, once again, I have my formula, my z equals x minus mu divided by standard deviation. I just found my z. I'm looking for x. They give me the mean and they give me the standard deviation. So if I multiply 15 on both sides, I get negative 26.25. And then finally, I add 270 on both sides, and they want you to round this to the nearest integer. And so I get the length of 244 days.